Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Singful Shona. Today I am here with you to share one of my beautiful travel experiences. I think most of us know about the beauty of Kashmir. Yes, you heard it right. Today I want you to explore with me the city of Gulmarg. Gulmarg, often called the Meadow of Flowers, is a captivating hill station and resort town in the Baramulla district of Jammu and Kashmir. Renowned for its stunning natural beauty and as a premier destination for winter sports, Gulmarg attracts millions of tourists each year. Because of its immense natural beauty, Kashmir is often known as the paradise on earth. One can find numerous tunnels in Kashmir. Now, we are going to enter one of such tunnels named as Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Tunnel. Let's get into it. Gulmarg is located 51 kilometers from the capital city of Srinagar. It takes nearly 1 hour and 24 minutes to reach Gulmarg from Srinagar. The best time to visit Gulmarg is between the month of December and March because this is considered the peak season for snow lovers and adventure enthusiasts. The town is covered in a thick blanket of snow and temperatures can drop below freezing. It's the ideal time for skiing, snowboarding, and other winter sports. Finally, we reached Gulmarg and now we can experience some snow deposits. We will now be heading towards a ride in Gondola, which is similar to a ropeway. Let's experience a ropeway in the mountains. The red colored vehicle moving along the wire is known as the gondola. So a gondola ride costs approximately 200 rupees per person. You have to book tickets earlier to avoid rushing. And as you all can see that the mountains are completely snow-capped. This is the ideal season for the snow lovers. So we are almost above 13,000 feet above the sea level. Now Gulmarg Gondola has two phases, phase 1 and phase 2. So we are heading towards the phase 2. The phase 2 is called the Afarwat Peak, which we will see after reaching there. This is known as the phase 2 of the gondola ride. This is also known as Afarwat Peak. It is situated in the breathtaking Pir Panjal range of the Himalayas. It is a prominent summit in Gulmarg, India, standing at a height of 4390 meters, approximately 14,403 feet. Can you imagine just above sea level? It's a major tourist attraction, particularly for winter sports enthusiasts and adventure seekers. As you can see that we are also experiencing snowfall at the same time, and the amount of snow can tell you that at what temperatures we are here. The temperature is almost below the freezing point. It is almost minus 5 to 6 degrees Celsius. and we are just chilling. I and my mother are chilling. Yes, you got it right. It was -4 degrees Celsius. It feels really amazing to see them playing in their own home. Do visit Gulmarg to witness the real and natural beauty of the nature. If you like my video, please do share and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video with another tourist destination. Till then, bye bye.